Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is April 27th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla is pretty much going sideways today. So we are up $5.09. That's good for 0.58%. Closed at 881.51. Post market, we seem to be up by $14.22 at 895.73. So let's look at what this looks like on the chart. Yesterday was a very special day. We dropped down like crazy. And let me just extend this downward channel a little bit. So yesterday we basically stabilized on 874.35. Today we are going sideways. So we have a red candle. We tried to break above this upward resistance that we were in since February 24th. So we tried to break above it, and we succeeded only during the day, but we closed back below it. So we could not muster anything to go back up. Let's go see the 1 hour chart here. The first hour of the day was just right here at the top of the red candle body. Then went higher, went quite high, I would say, relatively high, 918, but then came back down. And there was also an important resistance at 886.48. 886.48. This is where we were basically yesterday. And today also we cared about that support. So we came back on that support on the first hour. We started from that point on the second hour to go back up, but then we were stopped by this resistance. Let me see where it is. We have so many lines. This resistance at 912.37. 912.37. So we are coming back into a different congestion zone on the 1 hour chart. So 874.35 and 910, 912.37. So this is where we are at. We could be staying there until we go to the other side of the channel. Let me show you here on the other side of the channel. So it's possible that we just play here and reach this other side. And once we are going to get on this other side, then the stock will have to make yet another decision. Is it going to break that resistance by going sideways or going up? Or is it going to cave to it and just go down? All scenarios are possible at this point. Let's go back on the daily chart to look at our indicators, how they fared with today's trading day. So stochastic is remaining extremely low at 2. MACD, we don't have the 2 lines above 0. RSI under 50, that's not good. And DMI is also bearish. So all of the indicators, not surprisingly, have been affected by this. So we just need to wait to see what is happening. Let's look at stochastic. Stochastic is very important. What is going to happen with stochastic? We know that for the stock to recover and start going up, we need stochastic at 60. So we are quite a long way. So even if the stock seems to be going back up there, until we get stochastic over 60 and until we break this downward resistance right here, we have nothing. We have nothing. Until we do that, the movement of the stock is pretty much just noise. So keep that in mind. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.